I completely forgot. I have to get it from the shop. The water bills are too high. We never had such problems. See, you have to focus on saving water.
I saved one bucket. What did you do?
Panchamahabhuta, an accepted Sanskrit terminology that says all matters around the world comprises of 5 major elements: earth, wind, space, water and fire. This establishes that water is one of the major components of earth. And climate change is putting additional stress on water resources and begins competition over limited resources. You might contend otherwise that we have water resource in abundance. We can easily convert saline water into fresh water using a simple process called desalination. Then what is the problem? Perhaps what you do not know are these factors. Bottled water market are likely to rise from 181 million in 2020 to 287 million in 2026, which is equal to water being traded as commodity right next to gold and oil, which is equal to water monopolization and cartelization, which is equal to massive plastic pollution, which is equal to affecting livelihood of humans and aquatic life. A contract is an agreement between two individuals for a consideration, and surprisingly that consideration would be water. Public authorities would be in a position to trade water services in the hands of private players. Privatization of water will not only be limited to water services but will also extend to other water bodies and its enjoyment. You are not trading water, you are trading your right. Many of us wants human existence on this earth conceivable, but sadly only for some massive amount of money. So the question isn't whether you have human right to safe drinking water and sanitation, rather if at all you'll be in a position to exercise that right. Can you?